Want to turn your favorite YouTube video into viral TikToks? You can do it easily and you wouldn't even need to lift a finger to edit. Want to know my secret? Let me show you how to use quso.ai to effortlessly transform your long YouTube videos into scroll-stopping TikToks. Now, whether you're a content creator looking to repurpose your content or you just want to upload share-worthy clips, this short tutorial is going to have you batch creating TikToks in no time at all. First, head over to quso.ai and log into your account. Click Create AI Clips, then upload your video or paste the YouTube link directly into quso.ai's dashboard. While your video uploads, customize your settings, choose your spoken language from over 100 languages that quso.ai supports. Give some more info about your video for AI to create scroll-worthy content. Hit Generate Clips and quso.ai's AI Clip Maker will analyze your video, pulling out the punchiest sound bites and cropping them for TikTok. It even adds animated subtitles automatically. Check out these clips that quso.ai has transformed from YouTube to TikTok clips. Each one comes with a virality score, so you know which TikToks have the best chance of blowing up. Combine this with your audience insights to prioritize your posts. Now let's take these clips from good to unforgettable. Click Edit on any clip to open quso.ai's intuitive AI video editor. Adjust fonts, colors, and animations to match your brand. Drag and drop captions anywhere on the screen for that perfect hook. Overlay stock footage or your own B-roll to add context. Use quso.ai's library of trending templates and stock footage to keep viewers glued. Avoid TikTok's copyright strikes by adding your own tracks or choosing from quso.ai's royalty-free music library. Pro tip, upbeat tracks boost engagement. Once your edits are done, preview your TikTok to make sure everything's perfect. Then hit export and download your video in seconds. Quso.ai saves all your clips in one place. Ready to post? Use quso.ai's built-in scheduler to automate your uploads. This method has already generated millions of views and boosted business across industries. Imagine what it could do for you. Ready to turn your YouTube videos into TikTok gold? Start your free quso.ai's trial. If this video helped, smash that like button, drop a comment with your favorite tip, and subscribe for more AI hacks. See you in the next one.